Hey guys, Keith here from Keith TV. Yeah, I know I need a haircut. So Steve Robb asked me a question the other day. How cold can it go before your truck won't start? Well, my F350 normally sits in a heated shop, but stupid me, we came to Calgary and it's extremely cold, as you can see. And I didn't bring a cord to plug it in. So we're going to go out and see what it's like. There's the old girl over there, and she's, holy man, it's cold out here. Okay, I'm going to take you around. This is where you could plug the truck in. As you see, no footprints. I'm just going to take you around here and show you. No cord. No trucks plugged in. I'm going to go to my watch here. And pull up my Ford app. Okay, you can see my Ford app there. And I'm going to hold this button down. So now it's spinning. And now the truck theoretically is going to get a signal from the satellite. There's a signal. And look at that. Oh, it fires right up like it's the middle of summer, which is kind of scary. Oh, I'm going to sit in the truck for a minute. Hang on. Okay, as you can see, truck's running, and it's cold out here. But as cold as it's here in Calgary, take a look at Brooks. Way colder. So in a way, I'm happy I'm not there, but that's where we're heading today. I'm gonna get back onto the house, and you'll want to check that out. We'll do an up-and-coming video. We're doing a full gut of this house that we bought. And yeah, thanks for coming out. I'm not going to stay here long because it's cold. But yeah, I believe it was minus 30 and also minus 36 with the wind chill. It'll be on that thing. But wind chill doesn't affect trucks. That's just your skin. So anyways, thanks for coming out, guys. And we'll see you in the next video.